Okay guys, it's just a quick sound test of my Chumbo. Here we go. So you get the idea. It's got a bit of a rattle down here, I think, on the G string and the higher strings. So I'm going to probably change the saddle, I think. Nut, I don't know how to do that, but maybe down the road I will. I mean, for $230, like I said, shipped to your door, it's pretty crazy. It really is. It's not, I mean, it's $230. That's all you need to really say, right? Left the Chibson strings on, so, I haven't even changed the strings yet. So, there we go, guys. The headstock looks a little bit strange, but it could be me. You can see the scarf joint here. It's kind of like this. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. It's kind of, but, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. And if you see the back, the tuners are all kind of askew, and we'll go close on the we'll go close on the Gibson logo there. I don't know. All right. Anyways.